This question is coming in from Daniel. This is, do I need a degree to become a freelancer HR agent? Cool, thank you for the question, Daniel. I don't think so at all. I mean, I've hired HR people or VAs and things like that on Upwork, and I've never asked anyone ever out of the hundreds of hires or maybe thousands of hires on Upwork, I've literally never asked about any type of college degree in my entire life, because it's just, I don't really care. Either they can do the job or they can, and either they fail and suck and we have to find someone new or whatever. I don't think a college degree is going to be the delineating factor on whether this person can perform the duties that I need as a freelancer. It really comes down to the individual person, because I'm sure there's plenty of people with degrees that suck, and there's plenty of people without degrees that are awesome. So don't feel like you gotta wait for graduation or certification or this or that to start becoming an expert at whatever you do, because you can learn how to be awesome at anything. You don't need a degree to do it unless you're gonna be like a chemist or someone that requires like hands-on training and things like that. But most of this stuff, like as far as I'm concerned, I do a lot of digital marketing. I've learned everything. So don't wait for the degree. Become a freelancer, start making money, and then keep on learning, keep on upskilling, we call it, keep on absorbing information and getting better at your job, and just make sure that you're keeping the client happy, and then they're not gonna give a shit where you went to school. Cool, hope that answers that question, Daniel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.